All right, today we're gonna show you how to install these pegs on your Super 73. These are our FLP shuttle pegs. We have the long version, we have the shorty version. Both of them are gonna have these heavy knurls, so your foot's not slipping. M10 stainless hardware. The hardware goes in about 1 inch, full support, and we integrated this lip that matches up to your Super 73. When you get these, you're gonna have the bolts inside. You're gonna have to pull them out. So it's like this. Super simple. Grab the bolt, feed it through the back, spin that into place. This shorty is gonna be good, just resting your foot. Good for your passenger in the back. I don't recommend trying to stretch out and stand up on that. That's when the long one comes into place. You can stand up on it, put your full weight on it, stretch out, do whatever you gotta do. After you have this set in place, you can just leave it like that. I personally like to leave mine like that. You need to take it off, loading it up on your truck, pulling it into the house. You don't want to be catching on things. Sometimes you just want to take it off by hand. But if you're worried about them getting stolen, grab a 6mm Allen, put it in the back, fit it up, snug it up, you're good to go. It's just that simple. We got tons of colors in stock. Here's our texture black, raw, candy blue, shocker yellow. This is gonna match the RX pretty good. Just a white. This looks good on that white S2. Candy gold, candy purple, and as you guys saw, the candy red. If you're out in Hawaii, Bike Factory carries these, or if you're in Arizona, Custom E-Bike will carry these as well, or get them directly from us. Check out flpparts.com. We also have these on our eBay store, and that's about it.